quantum mechanics? What is quantum mechanics? The simple and easy definition for quantum mechanics is the field or branch of physics or science that explain how extremely small objects simultaneously have the characteristics of both particles and waves. Particles mean teeny pieces of matter, and waves mean a disturbance or variation that transform energy. So let's come to the diagram or in the picture. In this picture, the particle means the electron and an electron revolving around the nucleus, and they are in different orbital. When the electron jump from ground state to excited state, they gain some energy, and when they come from excited state to ground state, they will be losing some energy. So when they lose energy, this energy in the form of radiation, and this radiation is in the form of wave. So in chemistry and physics, when we study the theoretical and mathematical relationship of matter and energy, it is called quantum mechanics.